A buildup of CO2 may indicate that your indoor space isn't getting enough fresh air. Proper ventilation can help reduce levels of things like allergens, pollutants, and viruses. Monitor the air quality in indoor spaces you frequent with a citizen science kit from your library.
To get started, read through the activity guide. Create or log into your SciStarter account to track your digital data contributions to the project. Use the monitor in your home or office by placing the device on a table or shelf away from things that could affect the readings, like vents and windows. You can use the monitor as a standalone device or download the optional free AirNet 4 app to your smartphone to view the data remotely or the data history. At each location, take a few readings to account for potential fluctuations in CO2 levels. View the data history by clicking on the graph icon and record and share the details of your readings in the data field book. You have the option to digitally share your data with others on the Raven Clean Air Map and view data others have submitted to the project.
You've tested in your home environment, now take the monitor with you on the go.
Data points are most useful when you're out and about at public places like local coffee shops, indoor events, or at school. Readings of carbon dioxide exceeding 1400 ppm indicate improved ventilation is needed.
And that's it. You've gathered important data points about carbon dioxide levels at indoor places in your community. Return the kit at the library and check out another to keep the research going.